Good evening, everyone. I'm Rich Lloyd, President of the College. On behalf of the Board of Trustees, administration, faculty, and staff, welcome to our graduation ceremony. As we begin our celebration, our prayers and thoughts are ever present for each other, for our families, for our friends, for all essential workers, for those who we are caring for, and for those we've lost. If we are learning anything during this pandemic, and I think we have learned a lot, it is how precious each day is and how precious each moment of each day is. It is clearly an uncertain time, and yet what I know for sure is that our compassion for serving, our desire to come together, our celebrating graduation, our efforts to assist and support each other, we will see it through. Yes, we are finding our way through this long shadow, and tonight is full of light. We are here to celebrate academic achievement and the successful completion of degree programs. We've been doing so since 1926. So tonight we continue our history of sending forth amazing graduates. We wear our robes, our pins, cords, and a wonderful assortment of cool hats. We confer degrees, we offer congratulations, we flip tassels, and then we celebrate with family, with friends, and with our loved ones. It is a joyous occasion in the life of our college and our students. It is an honor to welcome Russ Gronewold, President and Chief Executive Officer of Bryan Health, who wishes to offer his congratulations and share a few thoughts with you this evening. Russ?
Graduates, you are lucky. You are so lucky to have been trained during a pandemic. I know it may not seem that way, but it's true. Most training occurs in a controlled environment, and it rarely mimics well the real world. But the pandemic is not a controlled environment. It's a dynamic environment, constantly moving and evolving. And this is the environment in which you have been trained. So what has COVID done for us? What has COVID done for you? Well, COVID has forced us to think more creatively, and that's what your training has done. COVID has forced us to think together, and that's what your training has done. You know those group projects that you hated? You learned more than you knew. COVID has forced us to look to each other for answers, for encouragement, for comfort, and that's what your training has done. Graduates, you come out of here, out of your training, with more skills and experiences than the classes before you because of the pandemic. And yet, even then, you will feel a bit lost in your next endeavor. So if that's the case, then why are you so important to us? First, Bryan graduates, many of you will work here. Not all, but some of you will. And those of you who will are important to our mission, helping us to fulfill our calling of healing and elevating people's health. Second, whether you work at Bryan or go elsewhere, you are ambassadors of Bryan, of a college that insists on excellence, and of a health system that partners with hospitals and physicians all over Nebraska to deliver the best health to the communities we serve. Finally, you are important to us because you will be leaders. During this pandemic, Bryan has been roundly applauded for the leadership we have shown. But Bryan itself doesn't lead. Instead, it leads because we have leaders. And that's what you have been trained to be, leaders. And that's what Bryan needs. That's what healthcare needs. That's what your communities need. So go out and lead. Congratulations, graduates.
Thank you, Russ, so very much for sharing those words with us this evening. And now it is time. Years of dedication, hard work, determination, and effort have led each of you to this moment. It is time to receive your degree. I welcome Dr. Marcia Kuby, Dean of Graduate Nursing and Health Professions, Dr. Amy Kenobi, Dean of Healthcare Studies, Dr. Teresa Delahoy, Dean of Undergraduate Nursing, and Dr. Kelsey Anderson, Provost, to the podium to congratulate and present our graduates.
Congratulations to all of the graduates, especially those in the graduate nursing programs. What I want to say to you can be summarized in these 5 words: courage, perseverance, collaboration, questions, and fulfillment. The graduate nursing graduates know that I like to share my philosophies, so I'll elaborate. Courage. It took some courage to enter graduate school. First, you had to deal with the internal questions. Where am I going to find the time and the money? Am I smart enough? Can I still relearn how to learn after all of this time? Is APA still the same? And then there were the questions from others. Why get an MSN? What are you going to do with it? Are you leaving us? But you're a nurse, and being a nurse takes some courage. So you invested in your career and did it. Perseverance. Perseverance is the golden thread that weaves dreams into reality. It's taken some perseverance to get to graduation. There were probably times when you wanted to give up. I'm so glad that you didn't. And you all know that there are tough times ahead, times when it will take all of your courage to forge the way, or to say you're wrong, or to stand your ground. When times are tough and it seems that you can't persevere, remember to maintain a vision of your dream and use that vision to help you through the hard times. Collaboration. The faculty have admired how you've collaborated with each other in the program. We've seen how you've enhanced collaboration in your work and in your networks. We're confident in your ability to use your skills to bring people together to foster synergy in forming solutions. Questions. You asked a lot of questions during graduate school, and you answered even more. As you're faced with complex issues in your advanced nursing practice, please recall how your program focused on questions. You won't always have the answers, and you don't have to. If you ask the right questions, it will lead you to the right people and the right sources to answer them, and to the most informed conclusions. Fulfillment. As you moved into advanced nursing roles, fulfillment isn't as easy to recognize as it is in direct patient care. I had the opportunity to hear leadership visionary Quint Studer speak about this. He explains that the reason people aspire to jobs that come with more responsibility has less to do with hours and pay and more to do with the desire to have a greater impact. As professionals, you will guide learners and lead teams, and you will have a greater impact. That impact is powerful and very fulfilling. The faculty and I have enjoyed the privilege of working with each of you. We're proud of what you've accomplished and look forward to the impact you will have as you use your new degrees. Our wish for you in all of your endeavors is courage, perseverance, collaboration, questions, and fulfillment. Congratulations.
President Lloyd, on behalf of the Bryan College of Health Sciences, School of Graduate Nursing, it is my pleasure to present one graduate who has met the requirements for the Doctorate of Education degree. Katherine Lee Ullrich. President Lloyd, on behalf of the Bryan College of Health Sciences, School of Graduate Nursing, it is my pleasure to present 13 graduates who have met the requirements for the Master's of Science degree in nursing. Nicole Lea Badura. Lindsay Ann Beil. Whitney Lynn Bernecker. Abbianne Marie Buchholz. Christine Marie Gowan. Tera Mariah Heidtbrink. Stephanie Rae Johnson. Ginnie Eileen Martin. Cassandra Janae Rare. Lindsay Marcel Schwartz. Katie May Spear. Karen Ann Townsley. Jacqueline Dawn Wisey.
Hello, my name is Dr. Amy Kenobi, and I am the Dean of Healthcare Studies here at Bryan College of Health Sciences. I want to take a minute and extend my congratulations to each and every one of the graduates today. Within the Division of Healthcare Studies, we have students graduating with degrees in diagnostic medical sonography and healthcare studies. Each of you is graduating at a time of uncertainty and anxiety. I'm sure if you think back to your first time stepping on campus, or your first time entering a classroom with your fellow students, or maybe your first time entering the skills lab, none of you probably imagined that your graduation would look like this, that you would be graduating under these circumstances. I wish, as I'm sure many of you wish, that we could all be together today to celebrate with your family and friends. I imagine that graduating today, you are feeling many mixed emotions. However, I hope you are feeling tremendous sense of pride. I hope you are proud of the resilience you have shown. In the face of a truly unique year, you have successfully navigated your last year of classes, clinicals, and field experiences. While there are many words one might use to describe 2020, I don't think easy is one that anyone would come up with. This has not been an easy year in any way, and yet here you are, graduating. Graduating is always an accomplishment, but graduating in the middle of a global pandemic is truly a remarkable achievement. I also hope you are proud of the work you have chosen. At a time when the need for skilled and empathetic healthcare workers could not be more clear, you are stepping up and joining that workforce, whether at the bedside or in the office. Fittingly, this work will not be easy, but it will always be meaningful. The work you are preparing for today is work that will change people's lives. You will interact with people who will never forget the help that you have provided for them. Finally, I hope that you are proud of those who have helped you get here. This year has taught us more than ever the need for connection and support. I hope that you are able to celebrate with those who have helped you along the way, today or in the near future. And I hope you will thank them for the love and support they have provided for you over these last few years. Again, I want to wish all of you congratulations and the best of luck as you take your next steps. Thank you for being members of Bryan College of Health Sciences. We could not be more proud of you.
President Lloyd, on behalf of the Bryan College of Health Sciences School of Healthcare Studies, it is my pleasure to present 11 graduates who have met the requirements for a Bachelor of Science degree in health professions with a major in diagnostic medical sonography. Ashley Rae Agler. Shelby Elizabeth Dahl. Lawrence M. Garcia. Megan Elizabeth Geese. Caitlin Claire Higgins. Hailey Ro Johnson. Nicole Katherine Muff. Natasha Laree May Ann Naceland. Ashley Ann Pierce. Reagan Elise Schultes. Amy Danielle Wilsey. President Lloyd, on behalf of the Bryan College of Health Sciences School of Healthcare Studies, it is my pleasure to present one graduate who has met the requirements for a Bachelor of Science degree in Healthcare Studies. Kyla Marie Inman.
Hello, I am Dr. Teresa Delahoy, Dean of Undergraduate Nursing at Bryan College of Health Sciences. On behalf of the faculty and administration, we would like to congratulate all of our Bachelor of Science in Nursing degree majors. The year 2020 has been designated as the Year of the Nurse, and what a year this has been. You should be very proud of all of your accomplishments. You are entering the nursing profession during a pivotal time in history, and we know that you will be instrumental in making a difference in the lives of all of the patients that you will care for. Although we cannot be together on graduation day in person, we will be with you in spirit. We hope that you will continue to look back fondly on the memories and the quality education that you received at Bryan College of Health Sciences as you continue on your journey toward becoming a registered nurse. You have a great career ahead of you. Congratulations.
President Lloyd, on behalf of the Bryan College of Health Sciences, School of Undergraduate Nursing, it is my pleasure to present 43 graduates who have met the requirements for a Bachelor of Science degree in nursing. Samantha Marie Ashoff. Skylar Shea Asher. Tammy Lynn Bartles. Bradley James Basson. Jonah Henry John Beckman. Heather Ann Bromstead. McKenna Renee Brugger. Deanna Nicole Beil. Audra Rae Boulin. Alexandra Lane Burrow. Keely Marie Confer. Taylor Nicole Crandall. Molly Marie Cummings. Kylie Renee Kucher. Joanna Jillian Kagape Dorado. Mitchell David Estep. Hailey Ann Ficken. Lindsay Renee Frederick. Olivia Rae George. Chelsea Lynn Giesler. Emily Christine Hall. Jade Nicole Hansen. Helena Judith Hartman. Jennifer Marie Hartz. Crystal Lynn Hurley. Katie Ellen James. Emily Bailey Kinney. Brittany Leanne Kreifel. Megan Lee Lineger. Kamea Ellen Long. Joshua Richard Lorenz. Kai Markov. Allison Marie McCarthy. Janae Marie McCoy. Stacy Lee Miller. Jocelyn G. Moreno. Matthew Donald Opfer. Chelsea Christine Prochaska. Mary Claire Ron. Eileen Fatillo Robertson. Hannah Lynn Rano. Katherine Jane Sedovy. Emily Faye Zellinger.
Graduates, this is the cool and fun part. By the authority vested in me by the Board of Trustees of Bryan College of Health Sciences, I confer upon you your degree and the rights and privileges thereunto appertaining. Congratulations, graduates. Wherever you are, as you watch and celebrate this moment, please know all of us at the college are so very proud of you. And graduates, please in turn join us in thanking your faculty, family, and friends who have played such an important role in your success. Thank you to everyone. Tonight's ceremony is ending, but it is just the beginning of the next step in each of your journeys. You have been and will continue to be part of the Bryan family, and you are always welcome here. Never forget that you are Blue healers. You are prepared to do more, to live lives of meaning and purpose, to do the good work you are trained for, and to extend that healing work to your families, your communities, and to those in need. And my goodness, we know the world can use more healers and heroes right now. A closing blessing to you from Irish spiritualist John O'Donohue. May the light of your soul guide you. May the light of your soul bless the work you do with the secret love and warmth of your heart. May you see in what you do the beauty of your own soul. May the sacredness of your work bring healing, light, and renewal to those who you work with and to those who see and receive your work. May your work never weary you. May it release within you well springs of refreshment, inspiration, and excitement. May you be present in what you do. May you never become lost in bland absences. May the day never burden you. May dawn find you awake, alert, approaching your new day with dreams, possibilities, and promises. May evening find you gracious and fulfilled. May you go into the night blessed, sheltered, and protected. May your soul calm, console, and renew you. Congratulations again, graduates. Have a wonderful rest of the evening.